This is an emergency from the BBC. Please stand by for important news to share with you all. Around 11:30 a.m. yesterday, a figure named Valet, who comes from a video game that is 9 years from now, it's called Sleeping Dogs, that comes out in 2012, it's 2003, and Valet is stalking and chasing people. If you see Valet, run as fast as you can. If he breaks into your homes, hide as long as you can till he spots you. If you're outside, find shelter or run to the police station as fast as you can. Remember, stay strong and stay safe. Normal programming will be suspended till Valet has gone back to the video game or police has shot him down or arrested. Be strong and be safe. Oh shit, I thought I locked the door. No, please stay back, I beg you, Mr. Valet.
Oh! Yeah!
I'm sorry that BBC was cut off for 2 days, but we have a new update about Valet and more. We are deeply sad that one of our BBC announcers has died due to Valet breaking in the BBC studio. I'm at another BBC studio in Liverpool City. There's been reports of a young player from Manchester United named Ronaldo has ran to the police station, but Valet got him quickly. We're deeply sorry for Manchester United and the staff and the players and Ronaldo, who just signed for them last month. You must stay indoors at all times due to Valet. If he knocks on your door, hide in a closet or your bed. To hide in a closet, don't run or talk. Just walk very slowly and get in the closet. To do so, go to your room and hide in bed and hide under the blankets. If he finds you during the hiding, then you have to accept your fate. Remember, stay strong and stay safe. Oh fuck, I thought I locked the door. Please Valet, I beg you.
Ah!
This is an emergency from BBC Two. Valet is running around and chasing people. You must find shelter right now. This is not a drill. You have little time to find shelter. If you didn't find shelter soon, it will be far too late. May God save us all during this event. Valet is running around the United Kingdom and every town in England. Find shelter now. You have less than 2 minutes to find shelter. Find shelter now. I repeat, find shelter now. Oh balls, I thought I locked the door. No, stay back, you son of a bitch.
Yeah! Oh! Yeah!
This is the final broadcast of this emergency alert. Please stand by, please stand by. It's sad to say that car valet has flying and running around the world, and every country and everything are no longer exist due to car valet becoming only one man person on earth. It's gonna be a rough end, cause the universe is also ending cause what car valet has done. There's nothing we can do but say your final goodbyes to your loved ones and prepare for the end of reality and existences. According to Elon Musk, the universe will end in 3 minutes, so don't panic. You may want to close your eyes or die in your own terms, but don't die in your own terms if you have children or pets. Well, that's all from us at the BBC. Thank you for watching, and we hope to meet you in another life. Goodbye.